Hey, Praisers and Savers, we have a great week of deals at CVS. So I'm going to break those down for you. Make sure if you like this channel that you are subscribed and you click that notification bell so you know when I send out these deals each week. So my very first deal that I love always to get is the paparazzi nail polish. The paparazzi nail polish, they are, when you buy 2 of them, they're $5 and you have to buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra care bucks. So paying $5, you will receive $4 extra care bucks for your next purchase. That's 50 cents each for each bottle of paparazzi nail polish. These are great to save up for Christmas for stocking stuffers. Also, these go for your beauty bucks for the CVS beauty bucks. When you spend $30 worth of beauty care products, you'll get $3 back. All right, so my next deal that I always get is toothpaste. So the Colgate Max 2-in-1 toothpaste is $3.49 this week. You're going to buy 2 of those, and when you do, you're receiving $5 in extra care bucks. And you can do this deal twice. So that means you can get 4 tubes of Colgate Max toothpaste. You're going to use a $1 off coupon from the January 17th Smart Source, or there's also a 50-cent coupon out there. There may be a coupon on your app. Check it to make sure. Some people have CRTs and some people do not. The final price is going to be 49 cents each when you buy 2. So you're going to pay $5.98, receiving $5 extra care bucks, and your final price is 49 cents each when you buy 2. But like I said, you can do this deal twice. So you can get 4 tubes of toothpaste. All right. Now, this is a one that you do not have coupons this week for, but it's still a great deal. These are the Scope Crest 1 liters. You're going to buy 1 Crest Scope mouthwash at $4.79. You're going to pay $4.79, and you're going to receive $3 in extra care bucks. There are no coupons needed for this, and you can do this deal twice. The cost is going to be $1.79. However, if you do want to do 3 bottles of the Crest Scope, if you buy 3 Crest products, there is a $5 off coupon out there, but I don't feel like it's worth it. So I'm going to stick with the 2 bottles of the Crest Scope mouthwash. All right, so I love Wet n Wild products. I know that's crazy because I get tons of makeup, but if I can get some Wet n Wild blush or some Wet n Wild eyeliner, I definitely do it. Now, I'm going to show you that you can get some Wet n Wild products for 29 cents each. So I'm going to buy 6 of the eyeshadow singles. They are $1.79 regular price. So you're going to spend $10. By buying 6, you'll receive $5 extra care bucks. And you can do this deal 3 times. So you essentially can get like 18 eyeshadows if you want, or you can mix and match, whatever. But there are some Wet n Wild coupons out there for $1 off one from the Smart Source January 17th. So check those out. But you have to buy 6 eyeshadows to get that price down so you can be able to get those $5 in extra care bucks, making it 29 cents each. Mix and match if you would like. So these are always great to get every week almost. Hallmark cards are on sale. Now, this is just an estimate because you may get a card that's more expensive. You have to be careful. But if you were to buy the cheapest card that they offer for this, then it would be you buy 4 of them. You're getting back $3 extra care bucks. And there is a $3 off CVS store coupon on most app accounts. Check it. It varies by person, by user. You may not even have it. If you don't, you can try to get it. But it will be 21 cents each if you get the $3 extra care bucks and the $3 store coupon. All right, so this is just another example. You could do the Kotex U-liners or like the thong panty liners. I don't like either one of those. I like the normal ones, but I usually give you the cheapest deal. The Kotex U-liner 16 count, they're BOGO 50% off. So they're buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to use the $2 extra care bucks that you're going to get back. And there's also some coupons out there. There's a $1 off coupon on your card, but there's also a $3 off coupon when you buy 2. Sorry, I don't have it listed there. I should. $3 off when you buy 2. So the cost is going to be 32 cents when you do that. There are different ones that you can buy. You can mix and match, and your price might be higher, but this is the cheapest one that they have. So I tell you guys most of the time in January and February, vitamins. You need to get your vitamins. This is the time of year. The Sundown melatonin is what I usually buy. The caplets are 90 count. They are buy one, get one free, BOGO. So this is just an example I'm giving you. If you do the Sundown, they are $1.25 each. There are some coupons out there for Sundown vitamins, so check those out. Everyone's coupon varies for this, and there's also a ton of coupons on the app for healthcare products. Check those out as well. Make sure you scan those in the app to see if they apply. But they should be $1.25, around that much, if you use your store coupons on your app and also your newspaper coupons that you have. You can get other vitamins. You can get the vitamin C or the vitamin D, but I always stick with the melatonin because it gives me the great price of $1.25. So the Garnier Fructis shampoo, they are 2 for $7 this week. If you buy one, they're $3.99, but you're going to buy 2 because there's a $3 off coupon when you buy 2. This also goes to your beauty club. There's a $4 CVS store coupon on your app, but check it, please, because not everyone has this. When you use the store coupon and you use your newspaper coupons and the beauty club points that you'll get, your cost is going to be 65 cents each bottle of Garnier. All right, now let's go into our buy $30 worth of products, get $10 back. And there's a couple things that I'm looking at this week. They're going to be the Tide, the vitamins, and the cereal. So let me break that down for you. Now, with the Tide Pods, you're going to do the spend 30, get $10 back, mix and match. You can get the vitamins, like I said, or the Tide liquid or Tide Pods. But when you buy the Tide Pods and you use the $2 off coupon in the CVS app, and then also some of that money will apply to your spend 30, your cost is only going to be $1.31 per bag. I'm always looking for cheap cereal because we donate this to the food bank. So I always go to CVS for my cereals. And the cereals this week are $1.99 for the General Mills. You're going to use $1 off 2 coupons. So you're going to buy 2 boxes, getting $1 off. And then there's tons of coupons out there for the General Mills products. The cost is going to be 83 cents when it factors in the spend 30, get $10 back. All right, bottle of Tide, also in that spend 30, get $10 back. And it's a $10 gift card this week, not an actual extra care bucks. So you're going to spend $5.94. There's a $2 off coupon on your app. Be careful because it may apply to the pods. I try to ring these up separate. I do the pods and the liquid in separate transactions. With the $2 off coupon and the spend 30, get $10 back. Your final cost on this liquid Tide is $1.96. So, guys, these were my favorite deals for January the 24th to January 30th, 2021. If you are loving any of these deals, please post the deals that you like in the comments. Also, if there's something I missed and you want to share with the group, please go ahead and post that in the comments as well. Make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell notification, and also like this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.